Hi, my name is Dr. Mike Weiner. I'm owner and chiropractor of Optimal Spine and Body. It's a chiropractic office that's located in Alpharetta, Georgia. I practice a very different type of chiropractic called chiropractic biophysics. It's very research and evidence-based to correct spines, and it helps with so many different health problems that pretty much people never thought could even get better. Let me explain why. The reason why I help people is because, one, what I'm going to talk about is what I believe to be neglected in healthcare. We talk a lot about nutrition. You have to eat plants, plant-based diet, get rid of sugars, eat more healthy fats that will make your body healthy. Mental stress, maybe do some meditation. That helps a lot with a lot of different problems. Even digestion too. Getting good sleep, getting your proper amount of sleep. And also exercising. What about the structure of the human frame and the body? Why is that important? Is because, one, what I'm going to look for is the spine and posture, because that's what holds us upright, and also the spine protects something that's essential for overall health. That is our spinal cord. You can see from this picture right here. So the reason why it's so important, here's the brain, and here's the spinal cord. Now the brain sends nerve signals down the spinal cord, picture like a river, carrying all that nerve energy, nerve signals down the spinal cord, out to the nerves, to every single cell, tissue, organ in our body. What happens to stress in lives? It could be from birth. It can be from falls as kids, sports injuries. It could be from car crashes, falls off a ladder. It can be from so many different things that our spine can literally shift at a place. So these shifts are called subluxations. The reason why this is so important is because these shift subluxations, they will affect nerves. And when they affect nerves, picture like a dimmer switch. It's going to dial down the lights, right? When you do that at your house, now this is your body though. So when you shift the spine, it's going to decrease nerve energy just like you're dialing it down. And then all of a sudden the organ that's connected to that nerve will progressively weaken, degenerate, and even cause disease. What I also find is that not just one bone shifts, entire regions of your spine can shift. I also find that curves can change, and also your posture distorts. When your posture distorts, now it puts stress and strain on the whole entire spinal cord. You do that, picture a dam in the river. You know, water's still going to get through, but will it be at full potential? Will it be the full amount? And then what happens is you have nerve energy that gets blocked. All the organs don't get the energy they need. Overall, the body doesn't get the nerve energy they need. And then all of a sudden, the health starts to break down, degenerate, and cause disease. One thing I will say it's important. Not all these subluxations have to cause pain. So when we have pain, that means nerves are inflamed, body's in a crisis. Picture like an alarm system. You hear the alarms when someone breaks in. Well, what happens if the alarm system just wasn't plugged in? You wouldn't hear it. Does that mean that the burglars are not still in your house? That's an easy answer. Of course, they're still robbing the house, just because the alarm systems didn't go off. What about your body? Could you have a shift in your body of the spine, and then you don't feel pain? Does that mean that you still have the problem? I would say yes. This is why people come in and they don't even realize how their spine can contribute to all these different problems. They tried everything possible, and then literally they have not looked at the structure of their spine and correcting it, and this is why organs start to function better. Literally, nerves going down to the feet, to the thighs, to the arms, to the hands start functioning better. Headaches go away. Then all of a sudden you get vision problems get better. Energy levels start going up because the nerves in the neck go there. To the ears, a lot of people come with ringing in the ears, that little sound that you get. Sometimes when there's no sound at all, you hear that. That starts improving because the nerves in the upper part of the neck go back up there. Balance issues, vertigo, weak immune system. So many people come in, they're susceptible to sicknesses, illnesses, allergies start improving. That's where the nerves in the neck go to. Upper part of the back, blood pressure gets better. Asthma, people have had asthma medication for so long and dependent on that, they feel that they can literally throw it away because they don't need it anymore. In the middle part of the back goes to the stomach. A lot of people have reflux, indigestion, heartburn. So many people today take heartburn medication, and then a lot of times it could just be that the nerves are not functioning properly to open and close the stomach. That improves. And then keep going down. Pancreas, blood sugar levels get better. Research is now showing that even when you correct the thoracic spine, it can help people with even type 1 diabetes. And then going down to the lower part of the spine, it goes to these nerves go to the large intestines, bladder, and sexual organs as well. So a lot of people come in with constipation, diarrhea, bloating, all these intestinal issues. That start improving as the nerves and the structure of the spine starts improving. Bladder, some people wake up once, more than once to use the restroom. That starts improving because now the bladder can literally hold more fluid and it can function better. And then sexual function can even improve as well. What does that mean? For men, that can be erectile dysfunction, and then for women, that could be cramping, heavy cramping, irregular cycles, really not getting your cycles properly, and when you get them, it's really painful, and it shouldn't really be that way. On top of all the other issues that people think chiropractic help, which is chronic pain throughout the whole entire spine, and then also pain down to the arms or hands, numbness or tingling to the arms or hands, and also to the legs and feet. The thing is that the reason why I help people with this is because it's not looked at in healthcare. So this is what I do for people. This is how I help people. If you want to sit and talk with me or in the office, I'd be happy to do that. Call 770-274-4840. For your free consultation, 10 minutes of my time. You listen to this video, that shows that you at least want to get better, so then I will give you 10 minutes of my time to see if I can help you. On top of that, you can go to my website, www.optimalspineandbody.com, and then you can reserve a time slot for a consultation. Just use the word optimal. That will let us know you watched this video and that you want to set up a consultation. I'd be happy to do that because it's my job, my goal to elevate the standards of healthcare. And if you believe that too, then why not give it a shot?